How to organize your digital life on your computer. Basically, it's deciding where each thing lives on your computer and always following that standard. When everything has a clear place, you think less and get things done faster. The interesting part is that this starts even before touching the files. Define what really matters to keep. Before organizing, it's worth separating what is useful from what only takes up space. Old, duplicate, or unclear purpose files tend to create more confusion than help. This initial filter prepares the ground for an organization that makes sense. Create a logical and predictable folder structure. Folders work best when they reflect areas of your life, not file types. Work, studies, finances, and personal are easy examples to recognize. That way, you always know where to save something new without thinking too much. Use clear names to find everything quickly. Objective names prevent opening multiple files until you find the right one. Dates, versions, or short descriptions already solve most cases. This turns searching into something almost automatic. Organize what is not a file as well. Emails, downloads, and notes follow the same logic of clear categories. If something reaches you through the computer, it needs a defined destination. When this connects to the folders, the flow becomes natural. Create a short maintenance routine. Organization is not a one-time event, it's a simple and quick habit. A few minutes per week already prevent the buildup of digital clutter. This care keeps the system working effortlessly. In summary, organizing your digital life on your computer is deciding what to keep, where to keep it, and maintaining the standard. With that, everything becomes lighter, faster, and more predictable. Which part of your digital life today most needs this organization?